A good education is the greatest gift you can give yourself or anyone else, and we believe in making our children teach them to think. Here we present to you the phenomenal journey of Menon EduWorld. We began the journey of 1,000 miles with a single step. On our path to success, we never forgot to have fun and enjoy our educational journey. Come, let's take a look on 25 successful years of Menon EduWorld.
I started my classes in 1984 at home. My son helped me and my husband also supported me. Slowly, when the number increased, I had to move out and I started Menon classes.
I'm very proud, I'm very happy that we have created a Menon EduWorld family. It includes the students, the teachers, the admin staff and every person who's worked with us till now. We've got very strong bonds with each one of them and that gives me all the pleasure. I wouldn't say that making a brand was very easy. Of course, we've been through our own thicks and thins. But I'm at this stage very thankful to God and all the well-wishers who have been associated because I'm very sure that we are a brand today.
We believe success is a journey and not a destination. Hence, we never stop in dreaming big. And today, we are proud to be one of the best known educational institutions, where we as a family may not have it all together, but together we have it all. Let's have a look on educational facilities that we have in Menon EduWorld.
It feels great when students do well in life. I think the secret behind Menon EduWorld's success today is that each and every student that comes to Menon becomes a part of the Menon family. And that is why we rightly say, once a Menonite, always a Menonite.
We not all educate our students, but we also take care of their entertainment. Sports Day, Annual Day, Picnic, Ganpati. Let's hear the experience of learning and fun from our very own Menon achievers.
Hi, my name is Prati Bheda. I've been in Menon classes from 9th standard. The teaching faculty here is very good. They conduct picnics, annual days and we had great fun. They also conduct test series so that we study properly. They also provide coaching for other many professional courses. We are like family, so it is rightly said, once a Menonite, always a Menonite.
My vision for Menon EduWorld is simple: give customer satisfaction, make a difference to society. I strongly believe that if there is something that can bring about a silent revolution in society, that's education. So let me give you a small example of how we have been transforming lives in Menon EduWorld. My mother started this, and as all would know, we started this with teaching vernacular medium students, primarily Marathi medium students. She grew the class to a particular level and then I took over. Today it's my wife and my cousin who's taking it to higher levels. But let me just quote a very simple example of what I really saw. We were flying down from Cochin to Mumbai and suddenly I see the air hostesses touching the feet of my mother. I was puzzled, so were the other passengers. I just asked my mother, "What is it?" And she said, "This is quite normal, this keeps happening." I said, "But who is this lady and why is she touching your feet?" She just said, "She is my ex-student. This air hostess is my ex-student." So this is the sort of respect my mother has got because she kept educating people. That's the time when I realized that this is the profession for me. Today, Menon EduWorld is transforming the lives of many students. We have now branched out into Mulund and Thane, and my vision is very simple: make it a globally known brand.
Personalized attention is our strength. Once a Menonite, always a Menonite. Come, let's make learning entertaining.